To determine if you have a PTB, narrow PTB, or DPTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. If your wiper arm has visible prongs on the side, then you have a DPTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Acoustix wiper blade on a PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end of the adapter, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the adapter labeled XPO within the packaging. To install, align the XPO adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the XPO adapter into the slot on the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. You are now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult your owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Acoustix wiper blades.